If you want to use a memory card on Motorola Edge 70, then unfortunately, if you were hoping to use it on the SIM tray, it is just simply not possible to do so. MicroSD card is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray of Edge 70, so there's simply no way to insert the SD card. So instead of trying to use the SIM tray, what you can do is you can use, for example, a memory card reader. This is just an alternative, of course, and I know it is definitely inconvenient to use on a daily basis because you have to have this around if you want to transfer data between the SD card and the internal storage, but of course, at least it is some sort of way that we can use. So in this case, I have this huge SD card memory card reader, but you can get smaller ones as well. Generally speaking, you want to find a memory card reader with USB-C, so then you can insert the memory card into the memory card reader, and then we can use the USB-C cable and connect it to the phone, just like that, and then you can access the SD card storage. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.